What up, guys? It is Thursday, January 4th, 2024. First outing of the new year. We're gonna fish pen warner today. Try to get keep some perch, black crappie, pickerel, maybe a couple walleye. We'll see. I'll try some new spots. I did intend on making a video today. I don't have a lot of battery, so we'll see if I get one made up or not. Would love to start off the year with a bang. My last video was actually about crappie. But I mean, this time of year, there's just not much to fish for. So let's get out there, catch some fish. Let's get it done. There's a, oh! I gotta stay on the school. It's fucking wind. This, I think, could be, a lot of this could be perch and shad mixed in. I don't know, to be 100%. Look at all these fish. This is crazy. Got them. These are just thousands of perch. That's another eater. Another Porgy Perch. Yeah, buddy. Porgy Perch, baby. Got two in the box. I'll keep one or two more. This is insanity. I thought these were shad, so I overlooked them initially, but these are all white perch. This is ridiculous. You see, got another one. You see bait like this schooled up. Your fish are just schooled up. They're normally. Let this one go. Oh my god. Look at these freaking fish. These are freaking man-eaters. Now this is what I call Porgy Perch. Look at these. The size of porgy you catch on party boats. Freaking 10 miles offshore. I'm literally just dropping this Gulp Alive down. You can see me dropping down. And just skipping it off the bottom. It's not even making it to the bottom half the time, to be honest with you. There's a fish. Nope. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, baby. Might be on me. This school's starting to thin out a little bit here, but still hundreds and hundreds of fish in here. I mean, it could be shad and perch mixed. I don't know, but when I saw this on my Panoptics, I just blew right by. I was like, ah, it's just all the shad wintering over in here. There's a, oh my god, look, this is awesome. This might be a bass. This is running, we got a runner. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've never caught perch like this before. Look at these things. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are true man-eaters. This is bigger than the last one. Come on, buddy, open around. Oh, look at that. I'll start weighing these things pretty soon. I just want to measure them next one or two I catch it. These things are monsters. All right, see you, buddy. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I was trying to catch a little 10-inchers. These are freaking. Oh, I hope the only problem is I kept two of the bigger ones. I hope hope they taste good. That's what I'm nervous about, because a lot of times the bigger fish are the ones that taste fishy and gross. So we'll find out tonight. And white perch, they are my favorite eating fish. Oh, there's another one. Come on, baby. This Gulp Alive's about had enough. Get a little more cast out of this bad boy, and have to throw new one on. Guess I'll get a video after all. Porgy Perching, man-eater white perch. Look at this fight. Oh my god! I'm just literally just letting it bounce and. Oh, there's a hit. Come on, come back. Oh! Wow, they did this thing. Alright, I'm gonna put a new Gulp Alive on. Alright, got a fresh buoy on. Let's get one more keep. Oh, there he is. Is that it? There he is. That fast, baby. One more Porgy Perch. There he is. Alrighty. Alright, last perch of the day probably, and I'll do some fun fishing. Look at that.